Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about raglan sleeves once again. I want to show you how to insert raglan sleeves, what to pay attention to when making them, and so on. This is my basic pattern. Front, back, sleeve. Today I'll make a raglan sleeve once again, but I'll adjust it for the warm clothes. You need to apply a bit different techniques to make raglan sleeves for light and warm clothes. I'll be working with this piece of fabric. This is gabardine. I'll make kind of a long blouse with raglan sleeves. I'll show you the moments you should pay attention to. You should design raglan sleeves very attentively. It's very important to draw all the lines accurately. Now we can start working. First I'll adjust the pattern, then I'll cut a sleeve, take it and try it on. I'll try to make very comfortable raglan sleeves. Before you start working with the sleeve pattern, you need to adjust these details, front and back. I'm not talking about the neckline, even though I need to make it deeper. I'm talking about the armhole. I need to make it deeper for about 1.5 centimeters. Remember that you can change the width of the armhole. Remember that when making an armhole deeper, you need to cut more from the front than from the back. An armhole must be round. Do not forget about that. I'll cut these details now. I also want to make the armhole a bit more loose by making darts. I open them for about 7 millimeters. By doing this, I try to make an item fit me better on the shoulders. Sleeves should be comfortable. Do the same thing on the other side too. Raglan sleeves are pretty comfortable, but I want to make them perfect. This is how the armhole looks like now. Let's move on to the sleeve. You know that to make a raglan sleeve, first you need to fold the pattern in half. Don't try to match these edges. Fold the pattern on the center sleeve. Now we need to make a slit. Start cutting about 7 centimeters down from the sleeve top. The width of the slit at the sleeve top should be about 1 centimeter. This line should be very smooth. If you make a slit wide here, you won't be able to iron it. Try to make a slit similar to this one. Next, I need to change the sleeve pattern according to the armhole adjustments. This is how I do it. I show you some useful techniques for designing. I've made these cuts to make the sleeve fit these darts. Now you know how to adjust the patterns for you to feel more comfortable in your sleeve. Of course, there are some other ways to do it too. I'll tell and show you everything. I'll need to cut the pattern this way. This is the front side and this is the back side. Now I need to move these darts to the center front. I do temporarily. First I'll make raglan sleeves and then I'll decide where to move this dart. It's better to move the dart here while I'm working with raglan sleeve, because it will be much more convenient to work with this way. Have a look here. Front, sleeve, back, sleeve. I work with my basic pattern, but the more I adjust it, the less it looks like the original one. I want to open the neckline because otherwise it would irritate me at the fitting. You can see that I don't measure anything. I match the details and cut the second one according to the first one. I don't like wasting time on the things I don't need. It causes headache. Now I'm ready to start working with the raglan sleeve itself. First I need to attach the sleeve pattern to the back and to the front. Be very attentive. It's very important to do it right. You can't do it this way. This is not right. You can't attach it this way neither. Very important for these slits to be even. Be very attentive. Now I need to do the same thing with the other detail. I'm telling you once again that these are not the correct ways to do it. Attach a pattern this way. These openings should be even. The thing is that the openings should be more or less even on the front and on the back too. You can see that they match. Now I'll stick this detail with the duct tape and continue working. I hope that everything is clear so far. Alright. There are 4 ways to make raglan sleeves. I'll show you them all. I'll use 4 different marker pens to show you the techniques. Let's have a look at the first one. Regular one. You should start designing raglan sleeve from the point where the details cross. Here it is on the front. And on the back. Here it is. You can start drawing a raglan sleeve wherever you want. I'll start drawing it 6 cm down from the shoulder. The thing is that the line should end in this point. Make a beautiful smooth line. Now I need to do the same thing on the back. I want to move the dot first. I'll move it to the yoke. This is not the final position of the dart. Maybe I'll move it later. Draw a line from the dart top. Try to make it at least similar to the one on the front. This is the first way to make a raglan sleeve. It will look really good. Let's have a look at the second way. You can start drawing a raglan sleeve right from the shoulder. I'll start drawing it a couple of centimeters lower to avoid making several seams in one point. Raglan sleeves can be made this way too. You can leave a dart here, it won't spoil the view. Such raglan sleeves are very stylish. Let's have a look at the third way to draw raglan sleeves. Put the marks about 3 cm down from the shoulders both on the front and on the back. Now you can draw a line this way, right along the shoulder. You can use any of these ways to make raglan sleeves. I need to draw a line on the back too. Make it similar to the one on the front. You can use any of these ways to make raglan sleeves. Now I'll show you the last fourth way to draw raglan sleeves. You can make a sleeve which turns into yoke. In this case, you need to draw a line from this point to the center front. Even if there is no seam on the center front in the item itself, there has to be a seam on the center front in the yoke. This should be a right angle. Otherwise, you won't be able to see these details beautifully. I need to draw a line on the back too. I think that everything is clear so far. Now you know 4 ways to make raglan sleeves. If you make a sleeve which turns into yoke, you can move this dart here. Such design looks very good. I can't choose which sleeve to make. I think I'll choose the black one. I want to make new patterns for the sleeves. This is the back. This is the front. First, I'll move this dart in the armhole. Don't pay much attention to it now. You can move it wherever you want. The thing is that it should be comfortable for you to work. You can also move it to a side seam or even make a princess seam. It's up to you what to do. The front is ready. The back is ready. Now we can start working with the sleeve. This is where the shoulder ends and the sleeve starts. I want the sleeve to be comfortable, so I add about 7 mm here. Do the same thing on the other side too. I do it on a tracing paper for you to see everything clearly. Have a look here. This angle is too sharp, and I don't even know how to call this part. Don't pay attention to them. Draw beautiful smooth lines. I detach this pattern and note that this one will be attached to the back. Notice how these lines look like. They are straight. I recommend you to try making all types of raglan sleeves. Practice makes perfect. Now I need to outline this detail. Don't pay attention to this strange part. Draw a beautiful smooth line. Now I can detach this pattern and throw it away. I know that this detail will be attached to the front. The pattern is ready. Now I can cut it out. I remind you that we've adjusted both the armhole and the sleeve. My basic pattern was made using my 10 measurement cutting system. You can use any other basic pattern. The course on the 10 measurement cutting system will be out soon. You can buy it, and it will provide you with all the needed information for making a perfect basic pattern. This is the back and the back sleeve. This is the front and the front sleeve. The dot will be closed, of course. This is how it will look like. That's all for today. Now you know how to adjust a basic pattern into the one for a comfortable raglan sleeve. You also know how to make different types of raglan sleeves. Be different and beautiful every day. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.